Alrighty guys, got a 2017 Honda Accord with a B1 service. We performed the oil change and tire rotation. Now we got to clear the wrench. This person went 820 miles past the oil life to 0%. So normally the light comes on at 15%. That's when you want to make an appointment or start your servicing. We're going to walk you through how to reset this light. First things first, when you turn the car on, the screen pops up. You'll notice there's a little button right there on the side. We're going to go ahead and push and hold that button. Takes about 10-15 seconds. Once the entire screen there starts to blink like so, you go ahead and press and hold again. And then your oil life is back to 100% and you're good till your next oil change. Hopefully that was quick and easy for you. Only requires one button, and make sure you're on the right screen. If you have any particular cars you'd like me to do this procedure on, please comment below. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.